And what could possibly be the second round of Operation Kamala in Karnataka? The state BJP chief Nalin Kumar Katil has claimed that 15 Congress MLAs are in touch with him. This comes at a time when newly appointed BJP MLC CP Yogeshwar claimed that former Chief Minister and JDS leader HD Kumaraswamy has been supporting the BJP government. In fact, dismissing the claims, Karnataka Congress President DK Shivkumar stated that instead it was CP Yogeshwar who approached him just 15 days ago, expressing that he wanted to join the Congress party. The fast-paced developments now come amid reports of cabinet expansion in mid-August in Karnataka. It's going to be a huge responsibility for B.S. Yediyurappa to accommodate many of those rebels who have now joined the BJP, most of them aspirants to become minister. C.P. Yogeshwar himself, one of those aspirants to become a minister within the B.S. Yediyurappa cabinet.
I wish him all the best. Let they take over the entire country, already taken. I thought that all the 224 are in touch with him. But I don't know why he is bluffing, telling only 15 MLAs. Let it take all the MLAs. We don't mind. Congress party is there with the cadres. We will build the party across the country with the cadres.
Well, here is DK Shivkumar there, who says it's in turn CP Yogeshwar who came to him with a bunch of the MLAs saying that they wanted to join the Congress party. It seems like a tough task now for B.S. Yediyurappa to accommodate all those members who have now newly joined the BJP. To try and accommodate them within the cabinet will be quite a task, considering he has to please even those loyalists and the new entrants into the BJP in Karnataka.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.